everybody, this is Jenny Banh and welcome back to my channel. If you're a first timer in my channel is all about beauty, hacks, and tutorials. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And also click the bell so you always get a notification if I have a new video uploaded on my channel. So, as you can see right here, there's a huge box right here beside me. It's the first major PR package I've ever gotten, and it's from PIXI Beauty. So I'm very happy and very excited to show you guys what I got inside this huge PR package. But before we start, if we haven't heard about the PIXI Beauty skincare and cosmetics are available in the Target, so you guys better check them out if you haven't yet. And be sure to follow all my social media channels as well right here, so you'll always be updated on what I'm about to review in my channel and the current hacks and beauty tutorials I'm doing. So feel free to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Okay, so this is the first ever huge PR package I've ever received, and I'm so happy because PIXI by Petra collaborated with 3 different bloggers to have this collection. So what I got inside, first I received this from Chloe Morella. It has 3 different blush and 6 different eyeshadows, plus eyeliner and a brow shades that you could use in your eye or in your eyebrows. So it's pretty cute and it's pretty decent colors, and I really like it because it's very neutral colors that you could use for your everyday makeup look. And a little bit of like lip gloss, it's called lip icing as well. So this is the first palette I got. The second one is from Dulce Candy. Oops, sorry. So the second one is from Dulce Candy. It has this Sweet Glow palette which has 9 different neutral shades from pink to brown shades, which I also love because I'm into pink and neutral colors, so I would definitely use this every day. And I also received this lip palette which also has like 9 different colors on it, from orange to pink to red. So I think this is also beautiful colors that they made. It's absolutely pigmented. And lastly, I received this eyeshadow from Weili Huang, and a dual liner. It has a kohl liner and a felt tip liner. That this is very handy. It's really black. I already tried this before or yesterday, and I'm like absolutely hooked on this eyeliner right now. And this eyeshadow has 6 different colors. It has matte color and shimmer colors on it. So this is really something I would use for everyday as well. So overall, I think this collection is like a total everyday soft glam look. They don't have anything that's really bold here, which I love because you could use this for every day when you go to school or when you go to the office, or you just want to look pretty every day. Then the colors would perfectly match to every skin tone, I guess, and every type of women out there. So let's start and swatch this palette, and also try to make a daytime makeup look out of all of these goodies I received from PIXI Beauty. So let's start. So my transition shade would be the Sister. So I'll go ahead and tap the excess and just like put on my crease. So with my application brush, I'm just patting on the product on my crease, like so. And what I'm gonna do is I would get my blending brush and just soften the edges and blend it to get more softer look. So after the transition shade, I'll go ahead and use Sista as for my outer crease. So I would like to use the Sista, is the color right here. And then I'm gonna blend it again with using my Morphe M433 blending brush. The color Beauties, it's like very dark brown color. Beauties, like that. So just a little bit. I'm putting in my outer V as well, but make sure to just like use a precision brush like this. So I'm using my Morphe M431 brush to add the darkest color on my outer V. So it's looking good so far. I really like the color. It's very brown, smoky. And now for my mid lid or mobile lid, I'm gonna use this girl color on top. I think it's really cute. It's like rosy nude pink shade. So again, I'm gonna get my applicator. So this is like the lightest shade on the palette, so make sure that your applicator is clean. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my L'Oreal Makeup Extending Setting Spray and just give it like a dampen it like that. Take my brush. I'm using Morphe brush M204. Tap the excess and using a padding. I'm just packing on some product. So I'm packing on the color on my mobile lid, my mid lid area. I'm gonna take the Balm color right here, and with my Morphe M332 brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like put on top of my crease, giving it more a blending color look. So I'm just like blending it on top of the transition shade and extending it down to the outer V. Okay, so I think that looks so beautiful. So last, I'm gonna take my Morphe. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe M33 M330 brush again and blend everything together. And now I'm gonna take my Morphe M431 brush and dip it to color Beauties, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in my lash line right here. Now I'm gonna take my PIXI Beauty Kohl liner and line my lash line. I just finished putting on my eyeliner, and now I'm gonna take my Essie Beauty 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. And before that, I need to curl my lashes first, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. Let's move on with the next palette by Chloe. Go ahead and use this peach blush on top. It's called Promise. Get the product, the excess, and just put on the top of your cheekbone. Take my Morphe M208 brush, and I'm just gonna use the Veil and the honeymoon color, this top one right here, and I'm gonna put it on my brow bone. I'm gonna take my Morphe M158 brush and taking this really dark brow shade color and just defining my colors in the palette are really beautiful. It doesn't have fallout. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe M125 and get the black color right here and just from Dulce, the Sweet Gold is like this highlighter. So I'm using Morphe M441 brush, and I want a really soft glow look, so I'm gonna use this peach tone right here. It's called Morenita. So just brush it off like that, tap the excess, and you could do so much on this palette. Like, it could be highlighter, blush on, bronzer, eyeshadow. Like, it's perfect for summer and spring look as well. The lip palette from Dulce Candy again, and I actually put on a matte pink lipstick from Maybelline, but it's okay because I'm gonna be putting this on top of it. My lip brush, I'm using AOFM number 6. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this Fresa color right here, and now I'm gonna take the PIXI by Chloe Moran lip icing. This is like a glossy look. This is the finished look. All products from PIXI Beauty. Makeup collection from this PR package are absolutely beautiful. It has neutral pink tone, red tone shades that are perfect for everyday women. The palette is so handy, so portable, and you could use and make different looks out of one single palette. Like for example, I think this palette is absolutely beautiful. It can be a highlighter, eyeshadow, or also a bronzer as well. This palette comes with an eyeshadow, eyeliner, brow shader, and like the blush could be used as your eyeshadow as well. And of course the lip palette is very nice as well. It has different pink tones and red, which is absolutely my favorite. If you want to learn more about my beauty hacks, unboxing videos, and makeup tutorials, feel free to subscribe on my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to also comment down below the comment section box, and I would be linking all the products I used in this video in my description box, so feel free to check out that. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!